All right, guys, welcome back to a quick video. I mean, like really quick. No, seriously, here's the white one. This is that get out of jail free card that most people probably won't take, but I'm taking it. So I'm recording with the iPhone 16 Pro, but I wanted to show you the iPhone 16 because this is a different kind of white and it's actually very nice, man. It's like super white, like very white. I want to go ahead and show it. So you don't get anything else in this box, but just this braided cable right here, which is cool. But I wanted to show this color to you, and then this is how it comes in the box in comparison to the 16 Pro. This is what you're looking at, depending on what color you get. Yeah, these boxes are almost the same size, but believe it or not, the 16, this one right here, is a little bit wider. I don't know why they do certain things, but they do. But this is the boxes that it comes in. So this color here is very nice, and I'm glad that Apple did a frosted back for all of the phones. That is really one of the main things I like about this version right here. This is the same size as the 15 Pro I have. So but this white is very nice. I was gonna go black, but when I saw the white in person, I was like, yeah, I like the little contrast in the button right here as well for the phone. This action button is all brushed aluminum around the sides, and it's just a really good looking phone, man. The color that is, as a matter of fact, pretty much all of the 16 models look really decent. They look really good in person because they have a frosted back. But I went with this version right here because it doesn't have, it blends well, I should say. And the back of it with the Apple logo, that's glossy to match the camera module. But I think the white and the black are the most uniform, but the white is the top of the line uniform for the color contrast. Like, you really can't tell in a lot of lights that this is a glossy around the camera module, and then the Apple logo is glossy too. So there you have it, man. A real quick video on the white 16. I think this is, again, that one that a lot of people should. The 16 lineup this year got the upgrade that the Pro lineup got. So I think you probably should reconsider and grabbing one of these 16s. But for now, I'll see you in the next video. This is real brief, real quick. This is a great option when it comes to buying one of the new iPhones. Don't sleep on it. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. Let's just look at how beautiful and white that is. Oh, and let me show you real briefly against my 16. My Pixel 9 Pro. This is what it's looking like. Frosted backs on phones are really nice. Now, remember I told you that the 16 Pro was narrower than the Pixel 9 Pro. Well, this right here, this 16 is almost about the same size in width from this way, but it is shorter because this has a 6.1 inch display. And this is about the same size as the iPhone 16 Pro with the 6.3 inch display, but this is what it's looking like next to the Pixel 9 Pro. So it's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed once again, and I'll see you in the next video. I'm about to put a tempered glass and get some things going on with this one. Take care.